Hello, my name is Yashika Verma and my brother is Tushar Verma. He is participating in this competition. He is from Sri Sai Academy, Mahu. And he is very much fond of machines and he is participating and I feel proud of him. And Brain Cafe, just because of Brain Cafe he got this stage and I am very happy that my brother is participating here. And he made such a wonderful machine and I'm proud of him. He got this platform just because of the Brain Cafe and they give a very good opportunity to many small kids to show their talent.
मेरा नाम सूरज सोनी है और मेरे बेटे का नाम अमन सोनी है। रोज़मेरी हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल में वो पढ़ता है 6th क्लास में और ब्रेन कैफ़े के कॉन्टेस्ट में साइंटिस्ट कॉन्टेस्ट जो है ब्रेन कैफ़े का उसमें उसने पार्टिसिपेट किया है और स्टेट लेवल के प्रोग्राम को अभी वो फॉलो अप कर रहा है। आगे मैं चाहता हूँ और बल्कि मेरे जितने भी चाहने वाले लोग हैं सभी चाहेंगे कि ये जो प्रोग्राम है इसी तरह आगे और चलते रहें और लोगों को इसकी जानकारियाँ मिलते रहे। बच्चों के बौद्धिक विकास तथा और रोचक जानकारियाँ उनको मिलती है, नए नए अनुभव मिलते हैं, छोटे छोटे एक्सपेरिमेंट वो लोग करते हैं। साथ ही जिस प्रकार से उनके बुद्धि का जो विकास होता है उसको देखते हुए मैं GDV और सारे चैनलों से यही निवेदन करता हूँ कि वो इस तरह के और भी रोचक प्रोग्राम और रोचक कॉन्टेस्ट आगे किया करें। थैंक यू।
माइक थोड़ा सा ऊपर। यस।
मेरा नाम रोहन है, मैं इंदौर से हूँ। मैंने स्कूल लेवल को तो अच्छे से पार कर लिया है, लेकिन मैं ये स्टेट लेवल पे जीतना चाहता हूँ। मुझे मेरा नाम रोहन है, मैं इंदौर से हूँ। मैंने स्कूल लेवल तो अच्छे से पार कर लिया है, लेकिन मैं स्टेट लेवल भी जीतना चाहता हूँ। लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो मुझसे भी एडवांस मॉडल बना रहे हैं, तो आई विल।
नमस्ते।
ऊपर थोड़ा पास में, थोड़ा पास।
नमस्ते, हम लोग कहाँ से आए हैं?
नीचे मत पकड़िए, माइक नीचे मत पकड़िए, माइक इधर।
सबसे पहले मैं ब्रेन कैफे साइंटिस्ट कॉन्टेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजर को धन्यवाद बोलना चाहूँगी जिन्होंने इस तरह का कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किया है और छोटे बच्चे, बड़े बच्चे सभी के लिए जो मॉडल तैयार हुआ है, जिन्होंने ये कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किया है। इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम इन लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया है जिससे कि बच्चों को काफ़ी प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा, बच्चे आगे बढ़ेंगे और नए नए तरीके के मॉडल बनाएंगे बच्चे।
थैंक यू। यस बेटा बोलिए।
गुड मॉर्निंग। Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ajuni Chapta. I study in class 1A. It is a wonderful contest. I really enjoy it. I learned lot everything. I enjoy very much. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you.
My name is Shyam Chhabra, Florence International School, Manasa. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे भाग लेने में, आगे भी जाना चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू।
बच्चे का नाम बताइए, कौन से स्कूल से है, और आपको ओवरऑल जो कॉन्टेस्ट है उसके बारे में कैसा लगता है, क्या लगता है?
मेरा नाम हरमेश कुमार सैन है। मेरा नाम हरमेश कुमार सैन है और मैं जबलपुर से आया हूँ। साथ में मेरा
एक मिनट बाइक में।
हेलो, मेरा नाम हरमेश कुमार सैन है। मेरे साथ मेरा भतीजा प्रखर सैन आया हुआ है और हम दोनों जबलपुर से हैं। जबलपुर में प्रखर सैन क्लास 2nd स्टैंडर्ड में है, क्लास 2 में है और स्प्रिंग डे हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल जबलपुर आधारताल जबलपुर से यहाँ पर आया हुआ है। इसने ब्रेन कैफे के कॉन्टेस्ट में साइंस एग्जीबिशन का जो कॉन्टेस्ट हुआ था, स्कूल लेवल का कंपटीशन तो थोड़ा परफॉर्म कर लिया उसने। अभी यहाँ के कंपटीशन में देखना है कि इसने कैसा क्या परफॉर्मेंस दिया है। यहाँ हालांकि कंपटीशन तो हो चुका है और मैं ब्रेन कैफे और जी लर्न जो इंस्टीट्यूट है उसके आधार पे कहना चाहता हूँ, उनको बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि ये साइंस के ऊपर इतना वो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आज के समय में देख रहे हैं कि कितनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स यहाँ पर जनरेट हो रही है। जैसे पानी की समस्या है, अगर देखा जाए तो एनवायरमेंट पॉल्यूशन की समस्या है, और भी कई फील्ड ऐसे देख रहे हैं अपन। एक तरह से अपन ये तो देख रहे हैं कि साइंस में खूब उन्नति हो रही है, लेकिन दूसरी फील्ड में उस साइंस में कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी बहुत जो ड्रॉबैक्स कमियां हैं, उन कमियों को एक और तो जहाँ साइंस में ये बहुत प्रोग्रेस हो रही है, काफ़ी कुछ उन्नतियाँ हो रही हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारी ऐसी कमियां भी अपने साथ उत्पन्न होती जा रही है जिनकी अपन लोग विशेषता ध्यान नहीं देते। अगर ऐसा कुछ कॉन्टेस्ट होता है और उस कॉन्टेस्ट के थ्रू बच्चे लोग या बच्चों से बड़े जो भी उसमें योगदान देते हैं, क्योंकि हालांकि बच्चे अकेले तो परफॉर्मेंस नहीं कर सकते, थोड़ा बहुत सहयोग तो गार्जियन का या किसी दूसरे पेरेंट्स का या टीचर का होता है, और इसके थ्रू यदि वो कुछ नई चीज़ों को उत्पन्न करके उन कमियों को दूर करने के बारे में या विषय में बताते हैं, तो ये उस विषय में एक अच्छा प्रयास है। और अगर ऐसे कॉन्टेस्ट आगे होते रहे तो साइंस में जो थोड़ी बहुत कमियां या ड्रॉबैक्स जिसके कारण अपन कई हानियों पे जा रहे हैं, वो भी अपनी दूर हो सकती है। मैं इसके साथ ही ब्रेन कैफे का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Hello, this is Dr. Bindal and I am mother of Tanvi Bindal. She belongs to Uganda Public School, Rajnandgaon, and she has been selected for Brain Cafe contest which has been conducted by the Zealand Limited. And we have come over here from Rajnandgaon after 12 hours of journey. But what I felt after coming over here that this contest is very much important for the kids because of this only she was able to explore her talent and she has become more confident, much more confident. I am looking forward for some more contests and some more activities and events conducted by Zealand Limited, so that kids can have more benefits. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank all the members of Budding Science Competition for giving the opportunity, this opportunity to my brother. By participating in this competition, I felt that he increased his confidence and his explanation power. He is very excited about this competition. Now also he is very excited about giving his interview. So I would like to tell him, do you want to tell anything about this competition? Do you want to tell anything about this competition? Good afternoon all of you. I study in class 4th. My school name is Education Park and मैंने हाइड्रोलिक वेट मशीन बनाई है। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि नेशनल तक चले जाऊँगा। अगर मेरा नेशनल में हो जाएगा तो मैं क्रिकेट बॉलिंग मशीन बनाऊँगा, क्योंकि मैं क्रिकेट का बहुत बड़ा फ्रेंड हूँ। Thank you to Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Competition. Very thank you, and I am very happy by seeing my brother like this. Very excited he is. Thank you. We have welcome magazine. We have started in 11:30 with our 74 bright young friends. Each one a winner representing 9,000 children from 300 schools across India. Presenting their experiments to our esteemed panel of judges.
Drupal, Ms. Shri Rupa Kundu Sen, Ms. Shubhangi Nimade, Mr. Hemal Patidar, Ms. Asha Chalani, Mr. Girish Srivaradani. Not one of them looked nervous as judges went along, assessing experiments. Their parents, their teachers, and I had the privilege of watching our body scientists in action. As they grow up, each one of them will pursue their diverse dreams in science, medicine, engineering, art. However, one thing is certain, irrespective of the streams or the path they choose, we will see innovations in whatever they do, because these children would apply scientific principles of everything they do. They would question everything and find a solution to do everything more effectively and efficiently. In a world where resources are fast depleting, the scientific pursuits of children will find answers for a better tomorrow. These children will create a better world. These are 4 reasons why we created Brain Cafe. To understand creative in our young children, to kindle their brains, ignite their thoughts, to get them to do, to experiment, to experience the thrill of understanding scientific principle in action that would initiate them innovating, charge them into finding better ways of doing everything. In these days of love and play, we find ourselves picking toys, gadgets, gymnasts, dolls, or minds into passive pre-programmed actions. Breakers are used to punch, keys, or touch screens, seldom to experiments and more. Young scientists of NP and
It was really my pleasure to be here, and a beautiful experience with the children of all the age groups, right from class 1 to class 8. The different models which were shown, yes, definitely it was the hardship of the students, plus I also give full credit to the parents who accompanied their children, and so much of enthusiasm that I could see in the parents. Their contribution is also wonderful. So, first of all, I would like all of you to give a big round of applause to the young scientists and the parents. Thank you. And secondly, I was really impressed the way the team of Brain Cafe Science, they had hosted the complete event right from, they had taken care of each and every point, right from simplest thing, and the work has shown. So I really congratulate the full team, the complete team of Brain Cafe also at the same time. So please clap for them also. The models that we saw covered all the levels of science, physics, chemistry and biology, and I felt that today we were also upgraded. I think all the judges will agree with me. The confidence that I could see in the kids, the children, the way they were speaking, we were smiling and we were really impressed by their confidence. I hope all of them be blessed. And the results have been, we have consulted each other and with different categories. We have picked up the first, second and third category, all the grades A, B, C and D. And this is the best bid that we could do, and this was the common consensus of all the judges who were there, who were marking the models. And I hope you all will agree with that, because most of the parents also know about the models which were over there. And I wish all the best to the children who are now moving on to the next level, that is the national level. They will be going to Mumbai for that. So I wish you all the best, children. And the children whose model are not selected, but still I say that they were again very nice, very well made, and yes, you devoted your time. And but yes, who all have got the positions, they were a little better than yours. Maybe somebody had passed marks in the presentation, or maybe the material review. We had the criteria, so everything that was done was quite fair, according to me. So thank you all of you for listening to me, and I'm really thankful to this great team of Brain Cafe Science who have taken a very good step towards creating new scientists, young budding scientists. Thank you very much. I was like you, and Brain Cafe was there for me too, because I never got a chance to come up with such lovely ideas like you people have. So I must say that you are lucky, and maybe your parents are luckier too, because you are getting a wonderful platform, a solid ground where you can not only showcase your talent, but also can get new ideas and innovative methods to start your life with. And one thing I'd like to say, Vandana has said all, so I don't like to put it much. Do that, think, and then go ahead. And always be open to learning, because the day we stop learning is the day we stop growing. Thank you.
Just for the event to share an experience with the future and students of my college and London.
Actually, thank you to Brain Cafe to us, and congratulate to all the students, because all are done very well and we all just enjoy your project very much. So congratulations to all and thank you.
Srivastava, coach to facilitate our judge, Ms. Shivani Nimani.
The spirit of innovation among children across the country. So a big applause for all of you. To do the honor. Yes, the third prize in the category A goes to NESS Diksha Paliwal from Science School, Vermont. May I call upon our judge, Ms. Shivkumar Hussain and Ms. Shivani Nimani to give away the prizes in category B. Goes to Om Gori from Educational Park School, Maneswara.
Thank you.
Congratulations, madam.
Creative minds across India. Before I declare the result, I request Mrs. Bhuvneshwari Venkatraman, Mr. Rupesh Verma to come on stage and do the honors for category A. May I have a big round of applause for this little candidate. I hope father of
Congratulations. लड़की के साथ करेंगे.
आई क्लोज आइएगा पास में.
Very well. And keep it up. Okay? God bless you. Very confident child.
And the model
That she had, the concept that she was trying to.
the concept that she wanted to, she depicted, that was the phases of moon. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. And this project was selected, and it was for the benefit of the fishermen. She created the phases of moon with the fishermen. Like she discussed about the high tides and low tides and how it is beneficial for the fishermen to catch the fishes at what time of the day. Am I right?
I request Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan. As the evening comes to a close, I extend my gratitude and thanks particularly to the elite panel of judges who, having a hectic schedule for all 6 days, accepted our request to spend the entire day with us in judging 74 exhibits across MP and Chhattisgarh. Thank you, sir and madam, for your gracious presence. I also extend my thanks and gratitude to the parents, teachers who have come from different parts of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh for this particular event. I also thank the management, principal, staff and the support staff of Gyan Ganga International Academy, Bhopal, without whose support this event would not have been possible. Last but not the least, I extend my gratitude and thanks to each and every member of Brain Cafe Science, MP team and the support which was extended from the head office for successful conduction and execution of this program. Once again, I thank everyone present over here. Thank you, have a great day and a great year ahead. I should, and I'm extremely sorry, I should have thanked the fabulous support and the fabulous coordination teamwork shown by the IB Connect team and the vendors. Thank you, Abhishek, thank you, Anand, thank you, Amit, thank you everyone from IB and the vendor team. Thank you so much.
पीछे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। 1, 2, 3.
We are Brain Cafe, so much better today.
Again. Again. 1, yes, 2, 3.
We are